Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and in this video we are going to learn some more questions for part 3, which is the revision for your term and examination for grade 6. Okay, and questions I have taken from your maths reveal book from Ministry of Education UAE. Okay, let's start the lesson. See, in this question they are asking to find the area of the triangle in the given figure. Okay, before discussing this question, my dear students, there was a point from some students that Mr. is these questions are sufficient for the exams. See, my dear students, only I'm trying to explain you the variety of the questions, okay, with the concepts. So definitely you will practice some more questions from your book or from your another online resources. Okay, so definitely I'm explaining maximum of the concepts with the help of some examples. For example, here you see this is the area of triangle. Yes, so if you learn the area of triangle formula and one or two questions method, you know how to find, then you can do the questions easily. Okay, see, try to understand this question. Find the area of the triangle. This question we have to find this area. So what is the formula for area of triangle? This is the first step, that write the formula for the required thing. And what they want here, they want area of triangle. So write the formula for area of triangle: half times base times height. Okay, now you see whether we know everything or we don't know in the question, because see, half, then where is the height, where is the base? Okay, see, height means this is the line which is the height. Yes, and this line is same to this line. Yes or no? 17. So height is 17. This is height. So I will write here 17. But where is the base? Base we don't know. This is the base. So how do we know this thing? Now you see, this total line is 34. And from this 34, we are going to subtract this part and this part, which is 10 and 7. So 34 minus 10, which is 24, and 24 minus 7, 17. So this is the value of base. So right here, so this is also 17. So what it will be, just now it is just a multiplication only. So 17 multiply 17, I guess it will be 289. I guess, please check the calculation. Okay, divided by 2. Now divided by 2, so 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8.5 centimeter square. Okay, like this you can find the area. Now you see, I explained you one question. Now any question of area of triangle comes in the exam, only this formula will be used, and if you are well aware of the formula, you can solve the question. Okay, now again this question is based on area of triangle. Now you see, again, height is outside the triangle. Just the thing is, to confuse you in the exam, maybe they will write here, say for example, this is 8 centimeter, this is 11 centimeter or something like that. Okay, so by mistake students will do what here? They will do by mistake. Maybe they can write base as 10 and height as 8, because they will see that this is the side here in the triangle, so let it be height. Okay, no, I told you in the class also, I told you that height means always this is the perpendicular line, vertical line making 90 degree. So what, first you will write the formula every time. So half times base times height means half times 10 times 7 means 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35 meter square. Okay. Now next question can be, I think this question is related with statistical measures. The table shows the number of rainy days in a country. Find the absolute mean deviation. Now you see, maybe this type of question will be very long, maybe 3 lines, 4 lines will be there. Okay, so you will try to find the required important word only. So what we are going to do here, we have to find the absolute mean deviation for all these numbers. So what we will do here, what I told you for the absolute deviation, first you will find the mean. So what will be the mean? Mean m is equal to, it will be sum of all the numbers. So make all numbers plus here, 10 plus 19 plus 24 plus 21 plus 28 plus 16 divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you just add all these numbers. So 5, 7, 12, 12 plus 9, 21, 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 1, 26, 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 6, 40. 4 carry forward, 415, 527, 718, 819, 9 to 11, 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 and 1, 16 divided by 8. So it will be equal to 20. This is the value of mean. Now what you will do after this? After finding this mean, okay, so after finding the mean, what we will do? We will try to subtract this mean value from the every value. So this is, I am taking all these values as x. So x minus m. What it will be? It will be 15 minus 20 and then 27 minus 20. This is 10 minus 20 and then 19 minus 20 and then 24 minus 21, then 28 minus 21. Why I have written? It will be 24 minus 20, okay? And then 21 minus 20 and then 28 minus 20 and last it will be 16 minus 20. And now all their absolute value. Absolute value means I told you between two lines you write like this and its answer will be always positive. So see, 15 minus 25 will be minus 5, but absolute value will be 5. Now 27 minus 20, it will be 7. So its absolute value will also be 7. 10 minus 20 is minus 10, but absolute value will be plus 10. Similarly, 19 minus 20, it will be minus 1. So its absolute value will be plus 1. And then 24 minus 20, it will be 4. 21 minus 20, it will be 1. 28 minus 20, it will be 8. And 16 minus 20 will be minus 4. But its absolute value will be plus 4. So what will be mean absolute deviation? Mean absolute deviation will be equal to sum of all these numbers 5, 7, 10, 1, 4, 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. And how many these numbers are? Total like before, 8 numbers. So add them. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 1, 23, 23 plus 4, 27, 27 plus 1, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 and 4, 40. 40 divided by 8 means it will be equal to 5. So mean absolute deviation is 5 and mean is 20. Okay. And what is the mean absolute deviation? I told you mean absolute value means change of individual number from the mean. Okay. Change of individual observation from the mean. Now here the same type of question. I am leaving this question for you. You can do this question yourself and write the answer in the comment. Okay. Here also you have to find mean absolute deviation. Okay. Now this question is, okay, again we have to find the same thing. See, the table shows the number of wins of two school football teams. So Bears and Saints, these are the two teams. Means you will do one thing two times. Means you will find mean absolute deviation for both the teams. So I am writing like this, okay. This is team 1, that is Bears. So here comes, for Bears it is X, means the observations, means the that numbers given in the question. So it is 7, 10, 13, 12 and 9. And if you will add them, then it will be 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 3, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 2, 42 and 9, 51. This is the addition of the number, means this is total. So what will be the mean? Mean for Bears will be equal to 51 divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 51 divided by 5 means almost 10. Okay, just approximate I am taking. Okay. Now, so x minus m, it will be 7 minus 10 means minus 3. Then 10 minus 10, it will be equal to 0. 13 minus 10, it will be equal to 3. Then 12 minus 10, it will be equal to 2. And then 9 minus 10, it will be equal to minus 1. Now its absolute value. So means absolute value of x minus m. So it will be equal to what? all the numbers you will make it positive. So it will be 3, then 0, then 3, then 2, and then 1. And their addition will be 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So mean absolute deviation will be MAD in short I am writing for you 9 over 5 because 5 numbers are there. So it will be almost 2 point something or not 2 point. It will be 1.8. Yes, 1.8 or approximately 2 because here also I have taken the approximation. So here also you can take the approximation. Similarly, you will find the mean absolute deviation for the another number also, okay, which is for the cents. Okay, like this you can solve the question. Now, what's the next question? Try to understand that question. Okay, you can pause the video and try to do this question yourself, and you can write the answer in the comment that what answer you are getting. Okay, now my dear students, like this you are going to understand the lesson. Okay, because if you will do the question yourself, then you will get some confidence. Now try to understand this. The cost of the tent on sale at a sporting goods are these much dirhams. Use the range and interquartile range to describe. Now you see what I told you for range. Range is, what is the formula for range? Maximum value minus minimum value. Okay, so before guessing all these things, we would like to write the numbers in ascending order. Okay, means from smaller number to bigger number. Okay, so what can I see here? The smallest number is 64. Okay, please check the calculation. Okay, just focus on the procedure method what I am doing here. So 64, and after that it comes to 66, then it comes to 67, then 68, and then after 68 do we no 66 we have 2. So here it will be 66, here it will be 67, here it will be 68, and then do we have 70 only directly after this? Yes, 70, and then we don't have 71, we have 72 2 times, 1 and 2, 72 and 72, and after that we have only one number left, 78, so one number. Okay, now you see this is minimum and this is maximum. So what is the range? Range is 78 minus 64. So 78 minus 64 means it will be 14. So 14 is the range, means there are 14 different numbers it can be in the category from 64 to 78. Now how you will find the interquartile range? Interquartile range you will find by finding the median and first quartile, second quartile, like that. Okay, so how many numbers are there? You see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 numbers are there. Very good. So 9 numbers means 9 divided by 2, it will be 4.5. So it means after 4, so just make the group and see whether the middle number is there or no. I think this is the middle number. Yes, because after this you have 1 2 3 4 numbers, and before that also you have 1 2 3 4 numbers. So this is median. Median is 68. Okay, now what is the first quartile and what is the third quartile? You see, first half before median it will be the first half. Yes, so this one is the first half. So what will be the first quartile? In first quartile we have two numbers in the middle, but luckily both numbers are same. So 66 plus 66 divided by 2 means it will be 66. And what will be the third quartile? Again in between we have luckily two same numbers. So third quartile Q3 is equal to, it will be 72 plus 72 divided by 2 means 72. Now you can see here interquartile range. Interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1, which is equal to 72 minus 66, that is 6 only. So what you can see, interquartile range is 6, but range is 14. So why is it so? Because interquartile range is the accurate thing to describe the data. Why? Because interquartile range defines the middle half, middle numbers. Okay, it shows that how middle numbers are related or deviated from each other, whereas range shows the minimum maximum minus minimum. Okay, so for example, here if I make this 78, where is my pen? If I make this 78 as 100, then do you think that interquartile range will change? No, it will not change. It will be 6, but range will be changed. Okay, because it will be 100 minus 64 and that will be 36. So if range is more, then it means data is not distributed equally, because it has a lot of variation, or you can have an outlier. Okay, like this you can describe the data in your way. Now another question can be, last week Hazai spent 40, 25 these many minutes on exercise. Identify any outlier in the data. Now you see, first you write the number in ascending order, that is 25, then 30, then 35, then okay, 20, 30, 35 finish, 40, 42 numbers finish, and then 60. Okay, now outlier, it seems that all the numbers are almost close to each other, but 60 is not. 60 is little away from all those numbers. Yes, so it seems, but we will not guess. We will try to find by the proper method. Okay, so what's that method? First we'll have to find the interquartile range. So how many numbers are there? You see, 6 numbers are there. So we will make the group of these 3 numbers and these 3 numbers. Okay, I'm not finding median here. I don't think that it is required. Okay, now in the first group, what is the middle number? This 30. So this is quartile, interquartile, first quartile. Okay, and then in the second group, 40 is the middle number. So this is third quartile. So what is the interquartile range? I'm writing in short. Okay, interquartile range, IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1. Maybe students, this can be the direct question in your exam, that they will give you first quartile, third quartile, and they will ask you interquartile range. So what you will do? You will subtract first quartile from the third quartile. Okay, so this is 40 minus 30 means 10. Now you see, lower limit, this is limit for the finding outlier. Okay, so lower limit is Q1 minus 1.5 times of IQR, that is Q1 is 30 minus 1.5 times of 10, that is 30 minus 15 means 15. So this is the lower limit. Okay, yani any number below 15 will be in the outlier in the left side. Now for the right side, that is called upper limit. Okay, upper limit, it will be equal to Q3 plus 1.5 times interquartile range, means Q3 means 40. So write here 40 plus 1.5 times 10, because 10 is the interquartile range. So 40 plus 15. 40 plus 15 is 55. So if anything after 55 will be in the outlier. So what you can see here, below 15 we don't have any number, because lowest number is 25. So no outlier will be in the left side, but in the right side we have one number which is more than 55. So what will be outlier here? Outlier will be equal to 60. Why? Because 60 is greater than 55. Like this you can write your answer. Okay, now another question can be, the price of the trees that Mohannad bought are in AED. Okay, all these things are in dirham. Calculate the mean and median with and outlier. Okay, with and without outlier, I think there is a writing mistake, typing mistake, you can say. Okay, choose the measure that describe the center. No problem. See, again we have to find the median, so definitely we are going to write the data in ascending order. So let's start writing. Smallest number is 39, I guess. 39 comma then 40. 40 is only one number, one time only. 40. So cancel this. After this we will have 44, and then we will have 45, and then we can have 46, and then we can have 51, and then we can have 68. Okay, now it seems that do we have to find the outlier? Yes, because they have written with or without outlier. So it seems that 68 can be the outlier, but we will see this thing. Okay. Now again, we have to find the median. So what is the number in the middle? You can see 3 here, 3 here. This number comes in the middle. So this is median. Okay. Now what we are going to, okay, they are asking about the mean also. Okay, no worries. We will find the mean also. Mean is 39 plus 40 plus 44 plus 45 plus 46 plus 51 plus 68 divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers. So how much is the addition? 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15, 5, 20. 24, 24. 24 plus 9, 33. 3 forward, 3, 6, 9. 9, 5, 14. 14, 4, 18. 18, 4, 22. 22, 4, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. 30 and 3, 33 over 7. So that will be 7 times 4, 28, 5 remainder, 5 and 3, 53. So 7 sevens are 49 and then 4, then 7 fives are 35 and then 6. Okay. Now they are asking us to necessary 10th place only. So it will be 47.6. Okay. Now what they are asking, another thing, outlier. Outlier means again you will find from the first group, first half and second half, the middle number. So first quartile is 40, that is the middle number of the first half, and third quartile is 51, that is the middle number of the second half, and interquartile range will be 51 minus 40, that is 11. Okay, don't confuse with this is the different thing. Now lower limit, what will be lower limit here? Lower limit is equal to Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR, that is Q1 means 40 minus 1.5 times of 11, that is 40 minus 1.5 times 11 means 11 fives are 55 and 11 ones are 11 and 5 16. So 40 minus 16 24, 24 and 0.5 also, so 23.5. This is the lower limit. So any number below 23.5 will be the in outlier. Okay, so after finding the lower limit, now we will just due to lack of space, I will try to erase all these things. Okay, only this line, and then I will find the upper limit because everything I have written here. Okay, now just try to find upper limit. So what will be upper limit here? It will be Q3 plus 1.5 times interquartile range, means it will be Q3. Q3 is 51 plus 1.5 times 11, that is 51 plus 1.5 times 11, it was 16.5, and 51 plus 16 means it will be 67.5. Okay, and what's the biggest number? Biggest number is 68. So there will be an outlier 68. Yes, because 68 is greater than 67.5. Okay, now like this you can solve this type of question. And as I have told you that whenever we are finding median, mean, interquartile range, then definitely you will see that which type of data is better when we are finding median. Okay, because median deals with the middle values only, not all the numbers. Okay, so if upper value or lower value changes, then only mean will change, not the median. So mean is not the better way to describe the data. Center of the distribution should be median. Okay, now another question can be find the area of the triangular this figure, and this is the regular figure. Regular figure means all sides are equal. See, I have not written the complete question. I want you to draw your attention only on the area, which is the important thing for this question. Now you can see how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there. So what's the name of this picture? Its name is hexagon. Okay, you should know, though it is not required in the question. Now you can see this picture is divided into various triangles. So if we can find area of one triangle, this one, and then we multiply it by 6. So area of one triangle, it will be equal to half times base times height, means half times 3.5 times 3.03. Now total area will be how much? It will be same area 1 over 2 times 3.5 times 3.03, and we will multiply by how much? 6. Why 6? Because there are total 6 triangles. So 6 divided by 2 means 3. Now just to save your time, I will do it with the calculator. Where is my calculator? I will do it quickly. This is 3.5 multiply by 3.03 multiply by 3. So it will be 31.815. This is the exact answer what I am getting in the calculator. But if they say round it up to 10th place, so its answer will be 8. And if they say round it up to 100th place, then its answer will be 31.82. So it is up to the question that whatever they are asking, you can write according to that. Okay. Now next question, same type of question, find the area. So this time I am writing total area. Okay. So total area is equal to half times base times height. And how many triangles do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So multiply by 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now again I am doing with the calculator. This is 4.25 multiply by 6.54 multiply by 5. So it is equal to 138.975. So if they are asking to write you up to 10th place only, 10th decimal place, so you will write up to 0.9, or you can write it as 139 also, or if 100th place, then you can write it as 138.98 also. Okay, both answers will be correct. Now next question can be find the area of the regular figure. Okay, the same type of question. So total area is equal to, my dear students, please pause the video and do it yourself, okay, and then match the answer. And if my answer is wrong, then please write in the comment, I will correct it. 1 over 2 times 12.8 times 8.81. And how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So multiplied by 5. Now we can cancel this number by 2. So 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Now multiply all these numbers. Again I am doing it with the calculator. Some students in my class, they think that I am calculator, but I am not. These are very big number with the decimal points. It will take time for me to multiply. Okay, so I am using calculator. Nothing to hide here. So this is 281 point, I think I wrote the same correct numbers, 6.4, 8.81 and 5. Yes. So this is 281.92. So up to 10th decimal place, it will be 281.9. Okay, or 100th place, this will be the answer. Now next question can be, draw the net to represent the triangular prism, then find its surface area. See, first you will open. Why I am putting it directly here? Because for this, how you will visualize, I have made another detailed video. Here I am trying to focus you on finding the area. Okay, see this triangular region, its one side is 3, another side is 4. Then same here also 3 and 4. Now this side is 6. So all the front side will be 6. And now this side 5. So this is opening here. So it will become 5. And do we need any other side? I don't think so. So total area is equal to, see, this I am taking as rectangle R1, rectangle R2, rectangle R3, and this is triangle, this is also triangle. So first you write the separate areas. Rectangle 1, what is the formula? Base multiply by height, so it is 30. Area of rectangle 2, I am talking about this area. Okay, this is done. Now, rectangle 2 means this. So, what are the sides? 6 and 4 multiply, it will become 24. Area of rectangle 3, what are the sides? 6 multiply, do we know this side? No. How to find now this side? This is going back side. Okay, so this is 3. So, this is 6 multiply 3 means 18. And area of triangles, both triangles, okay? So half times base times height times 2. This 2 and 2 cancelled out. And what is base? Base is 4, height is 3. So 4 3s are 12, because this is base and this is height, okay? So total area will be how much? 30 plus 18 plus 24 plus 12. So add them, 30 plus 8, 18, 48. 48 plus 4, 52, 52 plus 20, 72, 72 and 2, 74 and 10, 84 square feet. Okay. Now, next question can be, find the surface area of the following triangular prism. So, what it can be, see, just try to visualize it, because when you will visualize, then it will be very easy for you. So, its base is a rectangle. I'm sorry for my drawing, again and again I say sorry, because I know I'm not a good artist. So this is 15.6 meter, and then what is the width? Width is 15.6 again, so it's a square. Now if you will open it, then one rectangle will come this side with this side of 13, and then one triangle will go that side, and with the height will be, because base is 15.6, front side will be equal, so height is 10.4, and one rectangle will open this side, okay, and its side will also be 13, okay. So here all the sides are 15.6, so no worries. So it's good that all the things are equal. Rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3, and this is triangle, and where is another triangle? This one. This is another triangle with the same area, so this is also T. So area of rectangle R1, it will be equal to 13 multiplied by 15. I think I have written, no, where is 15? No, 15.6. So multiply this. So again, my favorite calculator here, 13 multiply 15.6 is equal to 202.8. Okay. Now, area of R2, it will be equal to 15.6 multiply 15.6, that is, so 15.6 is 243.36, 243.36, and then area of rectangle 3, it is equal to 15.6 multiplied by 13, same like first area, so 202.8. Now area of both triangles, so is equal to 1/2 times base is 15.6 times height is 10.4 times 2, because we have two areas, two triangles. Now 2 and 2 cancel. 15.6 multiplied by 10.4. I guess I'm writing it correctly. 10.4. Okay. So this is 162.24. 162.24. Therefore, total area is what? Just add all these numbers. Okay, what answers you have got here? You just add them all. So I'm adding it all the numbers. 162.24 plus 202.8 plus 243.36 plus 202.8. Okay, my dear students, maybe you have noticed that I said 243.36, but you will not say like this. Okay, you will say 243.36. Okay, now its answer is 811.2 meter square, and if they round to the nearest whole number, then answer will be 811 meter square. Okay, like this you can solve the question. My dear students, I am sure you have understood all the questions. Still, if you have any problem, please write in the comment, and if you have understood, even then you write in the comment that Mr. I have understood, and write your name. Okay, and if any problem, then please write in the comment. Hopefully you will have very good exam in term 3 and everybody will get good marks. Okay, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge and to get your more marks, please like and subscribe my channel if you have not done, and please share with your friends also. Thank you.